Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my beloved lecturer, Madam Suraya Hussein and my fellow friends. I am Azmina binti NAZRI, a student of Bachelor Degree in Business Administration, Business Economic, BA 250. Today, I will presenting on my industrial training at Saroma Engineering Sdn Bhd started on 1st March 2021 until 13 August 2021. Again, I would like to introduce to you my advisor, Madam Suraya Hussein. My company name is Saroma Engineering Sdn Bhd. Now, we continue to company profile. Saroma Engineering Sdn Bhd is founded by Mr. Pang Seng Kiong. It started on 1977 as a small but efficient private company. More than 40 years of work experiences in quarry mining, quarry plant fabrication, civil and construction work has made the company set footprint on many projects in West and East Malaysia. The core business of the Saroma Engineering Company are commercial quarry, quarry plant fabrication, rock drilling and blasting, and quarrying for civil work. The company has implemented ISO 9001-2008 and upgraded ISO 9001-2015 to ensure the standard procedure and quality of the stones delivered to the customers. Saroma has successfully completed projects such as roads and highway, hydroelectric project, road and blast for work housing development, trans water tunnel, and dam. The list of vision and mission. Vision and mission of the company provide a focal point that helps to align everyone with the organization. Here are the objective and goal of the company. These objectives and goals are able to monitor each person in the organization and increase self-efficiency. Organizational structure. Saroma having a lean organizational structure which enables the company in quick response to the client expectation and needs. Next is the management team. The management team comprises of the following experienced personnel who always ready to serve the client. Now we continue to the product and services. The core business of Saroma Engineering is running a commercial quarry, quarry plant fabrication, rock drilling and blasting work, and quarrying for civil work. All these quarries supplying aggregate to the local market, but for the Kangkar Pulai quarry, apart from supplying to the local market, it also exports the aggregate to Singapore. Other than that, Saroma is expertise in the full range of quarry plant. Installation starting from plant design, modification and fabrication for final commissioning. The company also involved in rock drilling and blasting work. The company has handled many types and methods of blasting. Lastly, the company is experienced in civil project quarrying. The company provides services of rock exploration, quarrying concept design and planning, drill and blast, provide crushing plants to produce various types of aggregates for construction. Okay, now we continue to training reflection. My working hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every Saturday to Thursday. I have been placed to Sedenak Quarry in Sales and Marketing Department. I had given an allowance amount 1,000 each month. On my first month as an intern in Sedenak Quarry, I have been placed at Weighbridge. Weighbridge has a system that controls and managing the movement of vehicles and materials arriving at the quarry and departing from the quarry. Other than that, I also involved in blasting and drilling work. Drilling and blasting are the use of explosive to break rock, make a road, and supplying rocks to process at the plant. Significant to my internship, to improve our economy, we also need to take a good care of environment. My supervisor had given me the opportunity to involve in improving the quality of the environment around the quarry. Now, we continue to SWOT analysis. One of the strengths that Saroma have is most of the staff have many experience that have been involved in this industry for more than 30 years. This industry has long been considered as dangerous work, but experienced and knowledge workers bring less risk during working. In maximizing the employee full potential, the company has proffered them for training every year to boost each worker personal development. During this pandemic, the company can invest some money to show support for the employee. It is a beneficial investment because it builds loyalty between employee and the company. The second one is quality product. They have implemented ISO 9001 2008 and upgraded to ISO 9001 2015 to organize the production and sales services. The ISO is intended to be standard and applicable to all organizations, regardless of type, size, and product category. To improve, the company should hire an evaluator who has experience in ISO 9001. To maintain the company quality management, the company needs to make quality is a part of company culture and organize a quality circle in the company. The main weakness is the company is shortage of manpower. I had saw a few employees resign for many different reasons. To overcome it, the company should offer a salary increment. If the offer meeting the employee satisfaction, the company had opportunity to thrive in the future with the employee contribution. But if the answer is opposite, the company should respect and accept the resignation letter and congratulate them. And the second one is they do not have a website to provide generic information about the company and advertise the company to officially present the company's brand. My suggestion is for the company to hire the expertise of web expert such as a web developer, graphic designer, and web consultant who have technical skills in developing websites. Next, we continue to the opportunities. The company has improving the awareness on preventing the pollution. As we know, the public and local community has a high level of awareness concerning on the quarry activities. As for minimizing the pollution, the company has installed a water truck in sites. The water truck will spray water along the quarry road to reduce the propensity of mud trucks on the lorries wheels. It is an effective solution for construction sites where environmental regulations do not allow trucks to leave the sites with contaminants and dirt and drag them to public roads. Therefore, the company has agreed to review regulation of their activities to prevent pollution. Saroma Engineering is working together with Jabatan Mineral and Geoscience (JMG) to upgrade their blasting and drilling skills so that the activities are not affected the environment. And the second one is Saroma have loyal customers. As for Saroma Engineering, they have their own loyal customers. The success of construction industry mainly depends on a good relationship with customers. This is because products and services of the company meet the customer standards. To increase the loyal customers, the employee need to improve their communication and personal skills. It is very important while dealing with customers. Other than that, social media presence is one of the ways to increase loyal customers. Companies with a strong social media presence can further build a loyal customer base. The company should take this opportunity to gain more loyal customers. And last one is trade. The first one is economic slowdown due to pandemic COVID-19. The main issue facing by Saroma is total demand reduced due to the pandemic. There are two elements of trade that the company experienced from the pandemic COVID-19. First, the company faced low demand from the construction sector. This is because the severe infection of COVID-19 in Malaysia has resulted in the government implementing restriction on the movement of the people and also on the way of business conduct. Most of the business is not allowed unless they are categorized as essential industries. As a result, construction is being delayed and affect the demand for the product from the company. Secondly, the company faced financial problem due to the pandemic COVID-19. This is the result of low demand for the production during the pandemic and the company cannot meet the average profit as before. Therefore, to deal with the threat of pandemic COVID-19, the company need to mitigate all the efforts in communicating with all the existing consumers so that they will keep choosing the company after the condition of the pandemic get better. Other than that, the company also can start to construct short and long-term strategy which will benefit both parties, consumers and also the company. They can negotiate the terms of the contract and also other conditions so that they can lessen the impact of COVID-19 on their business. Lastly, to cover the cost of worker and the other utilities, the company can take initiative by alert with the available government support for the business. Lastly, competition price pressure. Saroma is facing a competition on the price of aggregate produced by the quarry. The price offered by the company are a bit pricey among the quarry area. To avoid it, calculation and estimation of the cost has to be done. Then the company should take in response to a competitive price trade depending on its situation. In Saroma's situation, after the calculation, the company still earns strong profit and the customers also perceive in offer more attractive. Then the company can just ignore the price competition and go with the original strategy. The industrial training at Saroma Engineering Sdn Bhd made me realize that learning from experience is incredible. Time flies so fast that I did not realize that my internship is going to end. My objectives for the internship were met because not only I did complete the industrial training but also felt that I learned how hard all sectors improve the economic, but at the same time still trying their best in taking care of the environment. It gave me a huge amount of desire to protect our environment in every action I do. That's all. Thank you.